Do you believe that there is an unknown advanced civilization in this world that silently protects humanity? By the end, you'll understand everything I'm about to explain. On February 15, 2013, an asteroid with a diameter of 20 meters and weighing nearly 7,000 tons was hurtling toward Russia at an incredible speed of 18 kilometers per second. Hundreds of thousands of people witnessed this terrifying event. According to eyewitnesses, the asteroid produced a deafening sonic boom as it streaked across the sky, leaving a trail 10 kilometers long behind it. The brightness of the explosion was even stronger than the rising sun. Fortunately, it did not crash directly to the ground, but exploded suddenly at an altitude of 40 kilometers. At that moment, it released energy equivalent to 30 atomic bombs detonating simultaneously. The intense shockwave caused severe damage to nearly 3,000 buildings in Chelyabinsk. Fortunately, most of the debris from the explosion fell into the nearby Chabarkal Lake. Statistics show that over 1,400 people were injured, but most of the injuries were caused by glass shards from the explosion and did not pose a life-threatening risk. However, it was strange that such a large asteroid was not detected by any tracking equipment before it impacted Earth. It was only detected by a French weather satellite after it entered the atmosphere. This made many citizens angry and confused. A week later, the Russian Federal Space Agency explained the event, stating that asteroid falls are not rare and that about 500 asteroids hit Earth every year. Due to the irregular movement of the asteroid after entering the atmosphere, neither the Russian Space Agency nor foreign monitoring agencies had recorded this asteroid. According to them, the asteroid that fell on Chelyabinsk was purely a coincidence. However, this explanation seems far-fetched. Some even believe that the authorities are intentionally hiding something. They reviewed footage from numerous dashcams and discovered that the situation might not be as simple as it seemed. After slowing down the footage by 10 times, we can see that the asteroid was trailing a long tail as it streaked across the sky at an extremely high speed. But just as it was about to approach the ground, a mysterious object suddenly appeared behind it and instantly pierced the asteroid, leading to the subsequent violent explosion. What exactly was this strange object? People began to wonder if it was an interceptor missile fired by the military. Many might not know that Chelyabinsk is the starting point of the Trans-Siberian Railway, an important railway hub and industrial center in Russia. Nearby is also a large nuclear power plant. If it weren't for this mysterious object's intervention, the asteroid could have crashed directly into the surface and potentially triggered a nuclear explosion. The consequences would have been unimaginable. Later, scientists found that the mysterious object did not use chemical explosives to shatter the asteroid but used high-speed kinetic energy instead. It is known that the asteroid's speed even exceeded 18 kilometers per second, an extremely terrifying speed. At that time, no country in the world could produce a missile that flew that fast. Even today, it is still impossible. Thus, human intervention is ruled out. So, what exactly was this mysterious object? Do you remember the Tunguska event that occurred in Russia in 1908? Coincidentally, that asteroid also did not impact the ground but exploded in the air. Could there really be so many coincidences? It's chilling to consider whether humanity's survival from asteroid impacts could be due to an unknown advanced civilization silently protecting us.